296, we're going to stub in a system called MIPWASP, and it's going to be used by Gola 512 to create all of our different MIPMAP layers. In MIPWASP, we have no constant data and no global data. The MIPWASP function we are stubbing in now, it's only going to take a master memory index. So this is a monkey wrench macro for in case we think it takes two parameters. We're going to convert the master memory index to an XY cell coordinate on the master memory layout, and then we're going to check our math. Then we want to do a double loop through all the tile size exponents and layers here. The tile size exponent can be thought of as the MIPMAP level. The layer can be thought of as which quad in the 4x4 subdivisions we're in. So we're going to loop through 1 to 6 inclusive. We're going to skip over 0 because we already did the processing for that code. We're trying to take level 0 and convert it into all of the other levels. And then 0 to 2 inclusive for this loop. We're going to check our math here to make absolutely certain or to clarify that we're skipping 0 here, we're using 0 here. We're going to do the rest of the math in a different video. We're just introducing the system now. And in Gola 512, in the function that rasterizes the udesign, the final step is now here. We're calling MIPWASP, and it's going to take whatever master memory index, right, the master memory cell, it's going to take that master memory cell and create all the MIPMAP layers. So all of the manipulations that we've done to this master memory cell index, right, all the pixel manipulations, it's going to create all the MIPMAP levels. Here's what we did previously, and here's our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. We just stubbed in MIPWASP, and then we added the call site to MIPWASP from Gola 512. So Gola 512 should be done by now, and if you want a longer description, go here. You're on this playlist. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.